What's up, TC family? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're right here in Homestead. We're going to be reviewing a DR home, new construction home. This is in the Sapole community, and we're going to go take a quick look at this house. If you are new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and just like this video. Let me know in the comments how you feel about new construction. Let's go ahead and take a look. Today we're going to take a look at two homes in the community of Baywood in Homestead, Florida. Now, since the downstairs of this home is being used as a sales office, we'll go ahead and head upstairs. Now, all the bedrooms in this house are on the second floor. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This home currently has 2-car garage. The starting price of this home is $354,000. Now, this is just the base. It does not include any of the upgrades you see here. As you know, with new built homes, it is move-in ready. Currently, they do have one of the bedrooms being used as an office. This is great for those of you who like to work from home, and you also have a good convenience of having a brand new bathroom right next to it. A lot of these homes come with a contemporary design, so if you're like me and you like the clean, classic, contemporary look, then you'll love these homes. You will have the option to select what upgrades you like. You can change the floor plans and the paint color to what you like. Now, this second home is also located in the Baywood community. This one is slightly bigger than the previous home we saw. It has 2,085 square feet. When you first enter the home, you will see the great living room, and it does lead into the kitchen and the dining area. Now, this home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and only 1 garage. Now, this kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances for both the stove, the dishwasher, and the refrigerator. They do plan later on to upgrade each appliance to Whirlpool. first bedroom is downstairs. It is in modern decor. As you can see, it's in purple. The standard price for this home, though, it is $353,000. Again, this is just the base price. This does not include all these beautiful upgrades you see. This home does come with a laundry area as well. Now upstairs we'll have the rest of the bedrooms. There's 2 bedrooms for kids or guests and a master suite. The home also comes with a smart alarm system equipped with a camera. Around the corner from the bathroom is a nice little loft, a little sitting area. This could also be converted into an office area, or you could use it for entertainment or a media center. This is also right next to the master suite. Now the master suite does come with its own master bathroom and a walk-in closet. Now both home comes with a paved driveway. It also comes with a lanai or patio for your backyard. The HOA for this community is $95 per month. The builders are offering incentives on these homes, so if you are interested, you can leave me a comment or contact me for details. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you guys are interested in buying or taking a look at this property or any new construction property in the area of South Florida, I'll have a link in the description for you where you can contact me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.